Hi guys, Alex, Peak Performance Reviews. Welcome to another vlog. We're here at sunny Silverstone. It's cold, but it's sunny, and we are in the C1. The reason why is we're with Burton Power for this C1 racing 24 hours of Silverstone. Set to be bumper crowds, well bumper, set records for the amount of cars out on circuit. There's meant to be between 100 and 110 cars on circuit all at once, all Citroen C1s. They're C1 race cars, and yeah, it's going to be pretty cool. It's going to be carnage. It's going to be awesome fun. I cannot wait to get started in it. We've got we're on Friday today, and we're testing all day in the car. We've got session times because obviously there's some mental Porsches going out at the moment. Obviously we're not going out with them because we'd be too fast, of course. So yeah, we're going to go out with loads of other C1s, just practicing, shaking down the car. And then this evening, Friday evening, we've got a qualification session which is meant to be wet, which is all good. And then we are going to be racing tomorrow from 5:30, and there's a live feed, but obviously you're going to be watching this, you're not going to see it live. Anyway, watch on, I'll see what action we can get for you, and fingers crossed we can have a good whole weekend. We can qualify half decent, we can finish the race, more importantly than anything, have fun, and yeah, see what we can do. Push for some high places if possible, beat at least half the field, etc. See what we can do, and push on and watch on, and we'll see. Look around the car. Here is our car. 337 is a number you'll need to watch out for. Bit of a running joke, I'm going to go through this. This is Andy Burton, flat shift dummy is his son. Stay out Alex is me. If you've been watching the channel for quite a while, you'll understand where that running joke is coming from and why they call me that. Basically, if you don't know, when we went to Spa and we raced 24 hours, basically I was testing, and I went out in the car for about 10 minutes. I hadn't done enough laps, and I carried on going out for quite some time. I think I ended up doing 25-30 minutes in the car, probably. I don't think quite as much now, but quite a bit more than I should have. And obviously the other drivers barely ended up getting a bit of time out in the car, which was important for qualification. So I think we managed to do it, but yeah, some of the team weren't too happy about it, but that's why they call me Stay Out Alex. So I've learned my lesson, but that name is going to stick obviously for probably the rest of my life now. But it's all good. It's good fun. We're having a laugh. I have to ask why Darren has this name, but Darren, normally when people are called Teflon, it's because nothing sticks, but we'll have to find out. But Darren is and runs Destination Nürburgring. I'll put some links in the bio for that. Basically, if you want to do an awesome track there at Nürburgring, that is what Darren runs. So I certainly will be doing that. I think hopefully maybe this year or next, and I will be hitting him up for some of those track days. But yeah, car's looking good. We're all ready to rock and roll, ready to test. Yeah, can't wait. Should be good. In case you guys want to know what tyre pressures we're running, we do let people know about pressures. Just just in case you want to gain some knowledge from us, we can we can help you out. We can help you out. Don't you worry. We just had a session out in the car, and yeah, absolutely superb. The car feels really good. It's over there in the background, and yeah, obviously I don't know what times are decent because obviously it's not qualification, it's just testing. So yeah, so far so good. I think it's all good. We're going to go and quickly see the motorsport women, a few people we know in Garage 7C, I think it is. So yeah, bear with, and I'll make you join back up where we left off. Testing's been done. Tommy's just adjusting the centre harnesses, or the nut harnesses I call them, for me, with the bottom harness, because obviously at the moment it's a bit tight. But yeah, circuit's closed at the moment for lunch. Everyone's lunching in. And yeah, but testing's going really well. Car feels really good, for stable and good and fun, and yeah, it's really going to be a good race. I think tonight's still going to be rainy, so I think there's going to be wet qualification, which is I would say good, because I think some of the race is going to be wet. But actually, look at the weather, it looks as though actually Saturday and Sunday, which is race day, is going to be dry. So yeah, we'll just see, but testing's definitely going to be wet, I think, by the look of it. The rain's meant to come around 4 o'clock. Looks okay at the moment, but yeah, really looking forward to it. Should be good. Keep watching on. We're going to get some onboards for you, so keep watching, and yeah, let you know how we go. Just routed the car, and that's all done, and yeah, everything's all good. So yeah, starting to rain, got a bit more testing to go, got to scrub in some tyres, but other than that, we're ready to rock and roll for the night racing, or the night testing soon. But yeah, hopefully the weather stays okay. A bit cold, but it's good. That is the end of testing, and yeah, had a good couple of sessions out. Well, one good session out, and then our second session was basically scrubbing in loads of new tyres. So yeah, it's all right. It was good fun being out there. But we've got quali coming up a little bit later as well, and we got quali coming up at about 8:30 till 10:30. So watch on, and we'll get you some action from that. Obviously, there's nothing really going on apart from us sorting the car out for qualification. We are qualifying in about an hour and a half, and we're just going to be changing the brakes for a brand new set of discs and pads, so it'll see us through the full 24 hours. And also we're going to put a new set of brand new scrubbed in tyres as well. So obviously again, they're not going to last the full 24 hours, no chance, but we've got I think 3 sets of new tyres potentially for the front. We're just going to keep an eye on all sets of new scrubbed in tyres ready to go on the front. As you can see, it's starting to slowly get darker. If you can see there in the background, there's floodlights on, if you can see them. It's going to be getting dark soon. The rain is coming down to spitting, but it's not coming down hard. So yeah, we'll just wait and see how that pans out. I suspect it's going to be a wet quali, which doesn't matter, it is what it is, but hopefully we can get up as sharp at end of the kind of grid as we can, and that'll put us in good stead for the race. I think I'm going to do the first stint, and then it's going to be Andy in the second stint, onto Tommy, and then onto Darren. Darren's our little secret weapon. He knows the circuit really well, so hopefully the times are going to fly, and we're going to get up the grid when we put Darren in the car. But yeah, it should be good. I may segment this into chapters and different parts, but yeah, I'll let you know. But anyway, watch on and enjoy, and yeah, should be good. See, we're still in there. We've done our brake change, but it's lots of very keen people queued up already. Yeah, it's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be good. Looking forward to it. Should be good. Gonna send it. Just gonna have a little walk down and see everyone's car.
That charges up, and then at night it looks like that at night. Yeah.
I'll get a picture of ours.
How you doing, fella? You alright? Good man. Say hello, Sammy. Say hello to the camera. And there's basically still more down here. Might as well go down as we've already started walking. It's not like I've got to go in a C1 race car for qualification. Yeah, might as well go down. Let's have a gander. There were 60 cars testing earlier on, and there's 100 cars confirmed for the actual race. It should be fucking epic.
Hide the key in the pocket.
That's my house. Lucky you.
How you doing, mate? No, I'm just getting to the end. Just before we were about to go out, unfortunately, we've had a little bit of a problem. Our brake lights are not working, so we're doing a little temp fix for qualification. Not ideal, but yeah, we're ready to send it. So whatever, we'll qualify all right. So we're ready to rock and roll. So hey ho, this is endurance racing. So. Time to rock and roll, guys. Can't wait. It's going to be awesome. Watch it back essentially. Right, so day two, obviously qualification had been and gone. I'll put something on the screen for you now so you can see. We ended up finishing P37, not quite where we wanted to, because we knew that we had the pace for somewhere close to top 10 on test session data. But that's what happens in racing, so no problem. 37th is a very good out of a field of 100, so we're going to certainly be able to race from 37. I'm going to do the first stint, and the car is there. We had some problems probably late last night. I'm not sure whether I told you. We had a fuse go, and basically that meant that the LED lights wouldn't work, the side lights wouldn't work, the rear lights, and also the interior dash, which has got all the rev counter, which is not good. So yeah, not overly great to have that in qualification. Didn't help us, and there's also a bit of rain in my stint, so I couldn't really go very fast. But yeah, all is well. We've got a good, like I say, good starting position, 37. With out of 100 cars, it's going to be really, really good fun to race from there. Hopefully we can keep it clean this first corner, and I'll be first out in the car. And then obviously everyone's going to be taking their stints, and we're going to try and bring the car home and see if we can finish top half against some very, very good competitors out there. But yeah, watch on and I'll see what else we can do.